Imagine this. It is early morning, the road is still quiet, and you are sitting high above the traffic in a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a private hotel on wheels. The coffee is warm, the seats are soft, and ahead of you is nothing but open road, mountain air, and total freedom. That is the kind of feeling the new 2026 HYMER GT-S is trying to deliver. This is not the kind of motorhome that just gets you from one place to another. HYMER positions the GT-S as a confident entry into the premium class, built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter with front-wheel drive and a standard automatic transmission. It is designed to make long-distance travel feel calm, smooth, and effortless.
And the first thing you notice is the attitude. The GT-S has a clean, modern look that feels serious without trying too hard. HYMER says the model combines smart technology, proven reliability, and superior driving comfort with a contemporary interior design. And that idea shows up everywhere in the vehicle.
This motorhome is built for people who want comfort, but also want a space that feels open, stylish, and easy to live in. Inside, HYMER focuses on a flat floor, more than 2 meters of headroom, and an optional face-to-face seating layout, which gives the cabin a roomy, lounge-like feel instead of a cramped travel space.
Now let's start with the GT-S 600. This version is the more flexible of the two layouts. According to HYMER's technical data, the GT-S 600 is 709 centimeters long, 229 centimeters wide, and 298 centimeters high, with a standing height in the living area of 204 centimeters. It is listed with 2 to 5 berths and 4 to 5 seats, including the driver. That means this is a layout that can work for a couple, a family, or anyone who wants a little more room to move around without stepping into a much larger vehicle. The 685 keeps the same premium foundation: Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 315 CDI, front-wheel drive, 150 horsepower, Euro 6e emission standard, and the same 204 centimeter standing height in the living area. It also shares the same 6-kilowatt diesel heater, the same 110-liter fresh water tank, the same 100-liter wastewater tank, and the same 136-liter fridge. But the layout details change the experience. The rear bed in the 685 is listed differently from the 600, and the bathroom is slightly smaller at 90 by 81 centimeters, while the kitchen is a little wider at 97 by 78 by 93 centimeters. So even though both models live in the same family, they create 2 different moods. The 685 feels like the version for someone who wants the road to slow down. More length, more presence, more calm. It is the kind of motorhome that makes you want to park beside a lake, open the door, and stay a little longer than planned. What makes the 2026 HYMER GT-S interesting is not just one feature. It is the balance. You get the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter base, front-wheel drive, and standard automatic transmission. You get the flat floor, the high headroom, and the optional face-to-face seating arrangement. You get a rear garage with access from both sides, which is perfect for sports gear, travel bags, and all the little things that make a trip feel complete. You also get a design language that HYMER says is meant to feel clean, calm, and contemporary. And between the two layouts, the 600 feels a little more family-friendly, while the 685 feels a little more stretched out and travel-focused. That is what makes the GT-S smart. It does not try to be everything at once. It gives you a premium base, then lets you choose the style of life you want inside it.
So let me ask you this. If you were taking the GT-S on a long road trip, would you choose the more flexible 600 or the longer, calmer 685? At the end of the day, the 2026 HYMER GT-S is about more than specs.
It is about the feeling of waking up in a beautiful place with everything you need already waiting around you. It is about driving without stress, living without clutter, and turning every journey into a real experience. And tell me in the comments,